Hello children. Now today, as I told you in the previous lesson, I'm going to teach you, just tell you what rotation and revolution are. Now we already know that the earth is tilted on its axis. Now when we look at this earth is spinning also on its axis. That spinning means moving on its axis. And how long does it move? It completes one rotation in 24 hours. And because it is rotating and completing it in 24 hours, what do we get? The result of this, it causes day and night. When we look at it like this, what is happening? The sun is shining on this. So this part of the earth has day. The part which is at the back, that has night. And as it keeps moving slowly, what do we see? That the parts which were in darkness get daylight, and the parts that had daylight now are away from the sun, and so we have night. Now children, always remember that the earth is moving, the earth moves, but the sun is just stationary. It stays in one place. When we look at it in the morning, we see the sun rising and then it is setting in the west. But actually, is the sun moving? No, the sun is not moving. It is the earth that is moving. You can see it moves like this. So we get, this movement is called rotation. It completes one rotation in 24 hours, and so this causes day and night. The other movement of the earth is revolution. Now what is revolution? It is the movement of the earth around the sun once in 365 and 1/4 days. Now this movement of the earth around the sun causes the seasons. So it takes 1 year. This is 365 and 1/4 days, means 1 year. So when it is moving around the sun, what is happening? At times, some parts are facing the sun or they are closer to the sun. The other times, they are away from the sun. They are farther away from the sun. So when they are closer to the sun is shining directly on the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn. So when it is on the Tropic of Cancer, shining directly on the Tropic of Cancer, the northern hemisphere has summers, and when it is shining in the Tropic of Capricorn or it has moved towards the south, the southern hemisphere has summers. So when it is moving towards the north, like these days, it is in the northern hemisphere, so we all have summers. Now, as it moves towards the Tropic of Capricorn, what will happen? When we have winters, they will have summers. And this movement takes 365 and 1/4 day. Now children, in a year, we can't add 1 day, 1/4 day. We can't have 1/4 day. So what happens? Every 4 years, this 1/4 day becomes one whole day. So what do? We add that 1 day to the month of February, which has 28 days. And so that year it has 29 days. And so what do we call it? We call it a leap year. And so the year we have 366 days, that year is called a leap year.